Hello friends, today we're going to talk about the Family Fun Day, and that is traditionally on Saturday. If you are a payroll homemaker or you're an at-home homemaker, we still want to reserve Saturday for Family Fun Day. So, if you're an at-home homemaker, that means that you get all of your work done during the week and you save the weekend, Family Fun Day and Renew Your Spirit Day, for just that, family. If you don't have a family, if you're single, then you have to use your extended family, your best friends, your neighbors, people that you enjoy being around. This is a day for fun. So if you're a family, this is the day for fun with the family. Just like when you have a date night and no children are allowed, this is the day for children, for family, for mom and dad together to enjoy the day with the kids. If you're a payroll homemaker, you're going to have a little bit of work to do on Saturday morning, but you should have that done before noon so that the rest of the day is Family Fun Day. And I encourage your family to help you with the work in the morning. So delegate some of those things to make it even shorter for their benefit and yours, because you also work a full-time job. Your family should be willing to kick in and help you on the weekend. All right, so let's talk about Family Fun Day. What is it? It is a day to enjoy one another. It does not mean you have to go to a big park and ride rides and those kinds of things. Of course you can do that. You can go to the zoo, you can go to a museum, you can do those things. However, for most of us with COVID, we can't do those things. And sometimes, even if we could, it's prohibitive because it costs too much money. So let's find some ways to have fun with our family. Can you think of ways to have fun with your family? One of the things I would encourage you to do is take a hike or take a ride or go to a local spot like a lake, go fishing, have a picnic, just a pastoral park, not a park with amusements. Maybe playing games, have game day. Maybe build forts in the living room on a rainy day if your kids are little. Maybe have a Monopoly, all-day Monopoly game with your bigger kids. And even little kids can enjoy Monopoly, not babies, but young kids. You'd be shocked at how well their math skills have developed and will continue to develop. You might need to help them, but you could play Monopoly or whatever. Cards, if you don't play cards, do something else. Teach them games. Teach them games outside. Kickball. Remember kickball? So badminton. There are things you can do with your family for fun. Go to the beach, go to the mountains. If you live in those areas where that's not prohibitive and you can get there easily, it doesn't cost an arm and a leg. Have a campfire, lay in the backyard and make pictures out of the clouds. There are loads of things you can do for Family Fun Day. You can have, if you have a big family, you could have relay races in the backyard. So think about what you want to do for Family Fun Day. Now, if it's just you and your spouse, you're a family. When you marry, you leave your mother and your father and you cleave to one another and become one. You are a new family. So start some family traditions now. What are the things that you enjoy together? This is your Family Fun Day. All right, that's it. That's Family Fun Day. Now, let's talk to the payroll homemakers for just a minute. So again, we want to get your work done in the morning. The things you're doing on Saturday morning is you may be doing your weekly home blessing hour if you opted not to split it out during the week or delegate it. So you might have that to do, and you've got your zone. If you haven't done that during the week, which I encourage you not to do, you'll have 4 15-minute units to take care of on Saturday. So once that's done, those 2 hours plus completing the process. So if you've decluttered, you've got to put the giveaway in the trunk. You've got to throw the trash away, and you've got to put the other things in the places where they belong. That takes a few minutes. But once that's done, and after you've done the weekly home blessing hour and put away your mop and put away your vacuum and emptied it out and put away the microfiber rag and the feather duster, get those things put away. Put them away nicely so that they're ready to use the next time. Don't forget to clean out your feather duster. All right, but those things just take a few minutes. Don't waste a lot of time on that. You've got fun to have. This is what you look forward to all week long when you're working. I worked for 40 years. I can appreciate what you're going through. So this is your reward for being such a good mom and such a good employee. So we're going to have family fun. We're going to get it done as soon as possible. So if you can If you can get up early, just like when you go to work, let's say you get up at 6 to go to work. Get up at 6 on Saturday. At 7 o'clock, have breakfast. By 8 o'clock, you can hit it. By 9 o'clock, the weekly home blessing hour is done. Give yourself a half hour in between for completing the process. By 9:30, you start your zone. By 10:30, it's done. And that's without delegating. If you delegate, all you have to do is inspect what you expect on the things you give away. Don't expect perfection. You're going to collapse some time frames and it won't even be as long. But let's just say that you're doing it all by yourself because your kids are little and your husband's working on the car or whatever. So you'll have it all done way before noon. Way before noon. And if you have a plan and something to look forward to, that's going to inspire you to go forward. And the same for you at-home homemakers. That Saturday should be something for you to look forward to as well as the family. So get your work done during the week. Don't have laundry to do on Saturday. Get it all done, okay? All right, that's it. That's what you do for Family Fun Day. I hope that you start embracing this and that you start doing Family Fun Day. It is a great, great reward for you and your family, and it will build many, many memories for your family, for your children. They'll look back on these days and say, remember when we, and it'll be something so simple that they took such pleasure in that you'll be shocked. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope that you're looking forward to your Family Fun Day, and I hope you always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.